First Newton's law of equation is V is equal to U plus AT. So here we know that acceleration is equal to change in velocity upon time taken. So here change in velocity means final velocity v minus u by t. Change in velocity represents here the final velocity minus initial velocity divided by t. So therefore a is equal to v minus u by t. Now here at is equal to v minus u. So at plus u is equal to v. So therefore v is equal to u plus at. Means final velocity is equal to the initial velocity plus the product of acceleration into time. So here final velocity is equal to also the initial velocity plus at. At also represents the velocity because acceleration into time means velocity upon time into time cancel, means initial velocity plus final velocity means change in velocity is equal to velocity. So here mathematically formula v is equal to u plus at is derived through the definition of the acceleration. Acceleration is equal to change in velocity upon time taken is equal to v minus u by t. So therefore a is equal to v minus u by t, then at is equal to v minus u. So u transferred from right side to left side, then taken is positive, then at plus u is equal to v. So therefore v is equal to u plus at. Now we shall discuss about the second derivations of Newton's law of equation. S is equal to ut plus half at squared. So we know that the distance traveled by the moving body, distance traveled by the moving body is equal to average velocity into time taken. So distance traveled by the moving body is equal to what? Average velocity into time taken. Distance traveled by the moving body is denoted by s. So s is equal to average velocity means arithmetic mean of the initial velocity and final velocity is known as average velocity. So it is written as u plus v by 2 into t. So here s is equal to u plus v by 2 into t. Then we have put the value of v is equal to first derivation of Newton's law of equation, v is equal to u plus at. So here we write here u plus the place of the v, we can write about u plus at divided by 2 into t is equal to 2u plus at by 2 into t is equal to 2ut plus at squared by 2 is equal to 2ut by 2 plus at squared by 2, 2 cancel is equal to ut plus half at squared. So therefore s is equal to ut plus half at squared. It is also the mathematically derivation of the Newton's law of equation, means Newton's second law of equation, means S is equal to ut plus half at squared. So we have derived through the distance traveled by moving body is equal to average velocity into time taken. Then distance traveled by the moving body denoted by S is equal to average velocity into time. Then average velocity u plus v by 2 into time t. Then put the value of v in this equation, u plus at by 2 into t. Then u plus u means 2u plus at by 2 into t is equal to 2ut plus at squared by 2, and then we can breaking it 2ut by 2 plus at squared by 2. Then here 2 and 2 cancel in first term, and then we get here ut plus half at squared. So distance traveled by the moving body is equal to the summation of the product of the initial velocity into velocity and time, and the product of half product of the acceleration and the squared time taken. So this is known as second derivations of Newton's law of equation, S is equal to ut plus half at squared. Now we shall discuss about the third mathematically derivation of Newton's law of equation, that is the v square is equal to u square plus 2as. When a body comes in motion, then it covers the distance. So here distance traveled by moving body is equal to average velocity into time taken. So distance traveled by the moving body is denoted by S, and average velocity is written as like u plus v by 2, means it is the arithmetic mean of the initial velocity and final velocity into time taken, means here time t. Now we can write here the v plus u by 2 into t equation first. We know that acceleration is equal to v minus u by t. So therefore t is equal to v minus u by a. Now putting the value of t in equation first. Now putting the value of t in equation first, then we get here S is equal to v plus u by 2 into t, means v minus u by a. We know that a plus b into a minus b is equal to a squared minus b squared. So here v plus u into v minus u is equal to v squared minus u squared by 2a. Now here s into 2a is equal to v squared minus u squared. So therefore v squared minus u squared is equal to 2as. So therefore v squared is equal to u squared plus 2as. So this is the third derivation of Newton's law of equation, is v squared is equal to u squared plus 2as. It is verified. It is derived through the distance traveled by the moving body is equal to average velocity into time taken. Then we have taken S is equal to average velocity u plus b by 2 into t. Then we putting the value of t in equation first, like as a v minus u by a. then we get here the v squared is equal to u squared plus 2as. Thank you.